Okay, we're with Alex. What are you doing?
Throwing out trash.
Throwing out trash. You want to say something to the camera?
Hi, camera.
So we're gonna hit the park. It's actually pretty good. I haven't made a video on it yet, but it's like they have a nice kicker and stuff, so we'll hit some threes off that, and then they have a cool hip jump, so we'll take that pretty big. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Big ass snowstorm is coming. It says it's supposed to set at 12.
Yeah. Watch it just.
I was like, what? I can't hear you.
59, and then 12.
It's just a snowstorm. Yo, by the way, guys, for reference, like, there's a snowstorm coming and stuff. It's supposed to be at 12, so just kind of here, but it seems like chill. So I don't really know what's going on.
I just ate it. Thomas, did you see me eat it?
Yeah.
That thing's dangerous.
Guys, chairlift talks with the boys. So, how did we feel last run? You?
Bad. Laying on flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you hit the hip? I almost died on that. Let's get a replay right there. Anyways, what about you?
I had a good run. I hit the nipple and I fell.
Yep, we know.
And then I hit the jump and I hit a 360, but I should have hit a 540.
Well, it's funny, right? I go to hit the nipple and I look and there's just bed on the floor. And I'm like, oh crap. So, it was kind of your fault, you know. I screwed up, but yeah.
Was it?
No. It was not. No. Okay, the nipple, for reference, is like, it used to be like really nice, but now it's just like a steep drop on one side because everyone's just been hitting it on the same side. So it's like, you know, it's not the same. Oh, here we go. Neon pants, dropping in. We got a train and their knuckle. They low-key got more air than I thought they would on the knuckle. I've been seeing people just get no air, but maybe it's the speed today.
No, this knuckle's kind of bad.
Yeah.
You can't really get her up there.
Oh, where's Waldo's going?
Like Ben.
He's going for like a surface swap, something. See?
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
that was almost it.
Okay, guys, what's your plan for this run?
Oh,
Hit the
What's
nipple.
Hit the nipple, okay.
No.
It's a microphone.
Oh, it's
All right, continue.
and then I hit the hip.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, nice. What about you?
my plans for this run: a 180 on the nipple, 360 on the jump, and then a 180 up the little bank. Maybe I'll three the bank,
Okay.
and then hit the hip really big.
Cool. Let's go. Take a break from the threes. You know, guys, it's kind of like a blizzard out here. Like, if you just look at the sky, it's like white. It's so hard to see, like on the jump right there, right? Like, just when to time your pop. You have no depth perception, which has been a bit tough today. As you saw in the video, I was hitting 360s. I've been able to 360 for a little bit, but first time attempting it on the biggest jump at Fortune. Not that big of a jump, it's like a medium, I'd say. But, you know, the shin bang on here was really bad, so had to tone it down. So now we're just gonna be doing some kind of filler tricks, you know, just the grabs and stuff. Guys, for this run, let's try to grab tail. I think that's just gonna be the goal.